You are all unique in your own way. Each one of you is special. As told by your friends, if you were listening to them, there were so many things to learn and to feel confident about your own self. We have all been made by God, and God never does anything imperfect. Whatever He has done, whatever He has made, is tuned to perfection. So that firm faith and belief you need to develop and keep it highlighted in your mind. You should always keep telling yourself, I am beautiful, I am bountiful, and I am bliss. No one is ugly in this whole world. Everyone is beautiful in his own or her own way. And everyone has the opportunity to feel bountiful. God has given us everything. We don't have any shortage. God has given us a beautiful mind to work with. And when you are tuned with everything around you, when you are well tuned with your friends, with your parents, with your teachers, then you get peace of mind, and that is bliss. And if you are striving for these things, no one can stop you from being in a blissful state. I welcome all of you as students, as staff members of the school, back to normal working days. We all have come through a very difficult phase which was faced by the entire world, and once again we need to pat our own selves and thank God for sending us across that pandemic. Now also we are seeing that few people are there who are suffering. Few of you, I am glad to note, you are taking precaution, you are still wearing the masks. So it's an option. If you are feeling that you should wear, most welcome. I would advise, especially to those who are having some mild cough, cold, they should wear it both for themselves as well as for others not to get infected. I was going through the holiday homework now.